Tired of switching between music platforms? Struggling with playlist transfers that always lose content? Too many accounts to manage? Worried about messed up orders and mismatched tracks when merging playlists? Now, ViWizard Music Playlist Transfer makes it all easy. Seamlessly connect with one-click login across 4 top music platforms. Manage all your accounts in one place. Select and transfer playlists, albums, or singles in batches. Smart matching ensures your tracks keep their original order and metadata. No more migration errors. Your transferred playlists are instantly ready. Play and share with friends and family right away. Powerful features, yet incredibly simple to use. 1. Log into your source and target music platforms. 2. Select playlists, albums, or tracks. 3. Preview matching results. 4. Initiate transfer with one click. 5. Migration completed. 6. Play your migrated playlist instantly. Music freedom? Now it's yours. Get started now. Manage all your music in one place.